Struggling with limited space in your kitchen or apartment? These space-saving Amazon gadgets are designed to keep things organized, functional, and stylish, no matter how small your space is. From smart storage to clever multi-use tools, they make compact living easy. All product links are in the description below. High shelves don't have to mean hard to reach. This pull-down organizer brings everything within easy reach at the touch of a handle. Built from durable steel with a corrosion-resistant finish, it holds up to 55 pounds without breaking a sweat. Adjustable settings let you store light or heavy items safely, while saving space and keeping your kitchen neatly organized. No more stretching or struggling. Just smooth, simple access every time. Step out of the shower and skip the towel. This full-body dryer surrounds you with warm or cool air, drying your skin in minutes without rubbing. A foot-level touchscreen lets you switch modes hands-free, perfect for comfort and accessibility. The preheat feature ensures cozy warmth on chilly days, while non-slip pads keep you steady. Powerful yet gentle, it turns drying off into a spa-like experience. Why settle for just a mirror when you can have an entire organizer hidden inside? This full-length swivel cabinet doubles as a vanity with touchscreen lighting and folds out to reveal shelves, hooks, and bins for all your jewelry. It rotates 360 degrees, so you can check every angle of your outfit with ease. A foldable makeup shelf adds extra convenience, while velvet-lined compartments keep accessories safe. Tight spaces don't have to go to waste. This slim rolling cart slides right into those narrow gaps in the bathroom, kitchen, or laundry room. 4 tiers give you plenty of room for bottles, spices, or cleaning supplies, while side hooks add extra storage. The wheels rotate smoothly so you can move it wherever you need. Lightweight, sturdy, and easy to set up, it's the perfect little organizer on wheels. Breakfast just got a whole lot easier. This slim toaster slips neatly onto any countertop without hogging space. A single extra long slot means you can toast 2 slices side by side or tackle big, crusty bread without cutting it down. 6 shade settings let you go from lightly golden to deep and crispy in seconds. The high lift lever keeps fingers safe, and the crumb tray makes cleanup effortless. Picture a coffee table that does more than just hold drinks. This oversized Ottoman doubles as storage, seating, and even a work surface. Lift the top and you'll find a roomy compartment that hides away blankets, books, or anything you don't want cluttering your space. The cushioned top is perfect for propping up your feet or setting down a tray. It's a stylish centerpiece that works as hard as you do. Fresh smoothies anywhere, anytime? Yes, please! This portable juicer is USB rechargeable, so you can blend up fresh fruit, protein shakes, or even crush ice right on the go. Perfect for the office, gym, or travel. It's built for busy days when you still want healthy options. Compact yet powerful, it keeps your drinks smooth, fresh, and ready whenever you are. No kitchen required. Getting ready just got way more satisfying. This press-to-open lipstick holder pops your collection up automatically with a single tap. No rummaging through drawers. 8 slots keep your lipsticks, glosses, or balms dust-free and perfectly organized. Smooth edges and a clear cover give it a sleek, elegant look for any vanity. It's functional, fun, and keeps your favorites always within easy reach. Meal prep just got a whole lot smoother. This handy dispenser keeps your quart, sandwich, and snack bags right at your fingertips. No more rummaging through messy drawers, just pull and go. Mount it under a cabinet, on a shelf, or even in a small RV kitchen to save precious space. Built tough to handle daily use, it's a simple upgrade that makes your kitchen feel instantly more organized. Sometimes all you need is a little table that does it all. This C-shaped end table slides right under your couch or chair, giving you a spot for snacks, a laptop, or even a late-night coffee. The built-in charging station keeps your phone, tablet, or laptop powered without messy cords trailing across the room. Side pockets hold remotes, magazines, or anything else you want within reach. Bring style and storage together with this round coffee table. The fluted design hides a sliding cabinet door, giving you a discreet spot to tuck away books, remotes, or snacks. An open bottom shelf keeps daily items within easy reach. Compact yet functional, it fits perfectly in smaller living rooms without crowding the space. With its warm walnut finish, it doubles as both a centerpiece and a clever organizer. Wake up to the smell of fresh bread without lifting a finger. This all-in-one bread maker can whip up everything from fluffy white loaves to gluten-free, sourdough, and even yogurt. Dual heaters bake evenly for a golden crust every time, while the non-stick ceramic pan makes cleanup a breeze. With 20 preset programs and a delay timer, you get bakery-quality results on your schedule. No early mornings required. By day, it's a sleek farmhouse-style cabinet. By night, it folds out into a full-sized bed, perfect for guests or small spaces. Built-in outlets and USB ports keep devices charged, while the large drawer stores bedding, clothes, or essentials. Smooth metal slides make access easy, and sturdy construction ensures long-lasting use. A smart 2-in-1 design that brings comfort, storage, and convenience together in one space-saving piece. Who says a coffee table can only hold mugs and magazines? This convertible design lifts and expands into a full dining table or even a desk when you need extra workspace. Hidden compartments and drawers keep clutter out of sight, while an open shelf lets you display your favorite pieces. The sturdy lift top moves smoothly without noise and stays stable while in use. It's stylish, practical, and perfect for small living spaces. Your desk doesn't always need to take up space. Sometimes it can disappear into the wall. This fold-out workstation opens into a sturdy writing desk with shelves, then folds back up into a sleek cabinet when you're done. A built-in blackboard lets you jot down reminders, lists, or quick notes. Side shelves hold books, decor, or office supplies within reach. It's compact, clever, and perfect for maximizing small rooms. Small spaces need smart storage, and this slim cabinet does the job perfectly. With 4 tiers and adjustable shelves, you can fit everything from toiletries to cleaning supplies without wasting space. The magnetic doors keep items dust-free and protected, while the clear panels let you see what's inside at a glance. Rolling wheels make it easy to move around when needed. Traveling with a baby doesn't have to be stressful. This lightweight crib doubles as a cozy bed and a safe playpen, so your little one always has a familiar spot. The breathable mesh sides keep the air flowing while letting you peek in anytime. A handy side zipper makes it easy for crawling in and out. Best part? It folds down in seconds and packs small for on-the-go adventures. Laundry day just got smarter. This 2-layer hamper keeps clothes sorted with separate baskets for different loads, so no more mixing socks with shirts. The top baskets can even be removed and hung on the wall for extra space-saving storage. Smooth rolling wheels make it easy to move from bedroom to laundry room. Durable, sturdy, and compact, it's the perfect way to keep laundry neat and out of the way. Keep your bedding neat? dust-free and easy to find. These sturdy plastic organizers stack securely without tipping, and the double-sided clear windows let you spot exactly what's inside at a glance. Snap closures keep everything protected, while side handles make pulling them from shelves effortless. Fold them flat when not in use, or stack them to save space. Perfect for sheets, duvets, pillowcases, and more. Small space, big drying power. This compact tumble dryer fits just about anywhere but still handles clothes with care. Dual motors speed up drying while rotating in both directions to keep fabrics fluffy and evenly dried. Smart sensors stop the cycle the moment clothes are ready, saving time and energy. With fine filters to catch lint and dust, it's plug-and-play laundry convenience. No installation, no hassle. Why waste space under the bed when you can turn it into hidden storage? This modern lift-up bed frame uses a hydraulic system to reveal a roomy compartment for bedding, clothes, or anything you want out of sight. The sturdy build makes lifting effortless and safe. A tall wingback headboard adds elegance, giving your room a sleek centerpiece. No box spring needed, just a smart, stylish way to maximize bedroom space. Small space, big style. This Futon Sofa bed brings mid-century charm with its tufted velvet finish and sleek, tapered legs. During the day, it's a comfy three-seater for lounging or working. At night, it folds down into a bed, perfect for guests or late-night movie marathons. Built with a sturdy frame and firm cushioning, it's made to last while giving you comfort in every setting. Stylish, practical, and versatile all in one. Kick clutter out of sight and add a seat at the same time. This folding Ottoman bench opens up to reveal a roomy storage chest for blankets, books, or anything you want tucked away. The cushion top makes it comfortable for sitting or propping up your feet. When you don't need it, the whole thing folds flat in seconds. Strong, stylish, and versatile, it's a smart addition to any room. Empty space above the toilet? Time to put it to work. This three-tier organizer gives you shelves for towels, toilet paper, soaps, and all the bathroom essentials that usually clutter up the sink. 4 hooks add extra hanging space for loofahs or small accessories. The sturdy steel frame keeps everything stable, and it fits neatly over most standard toilets. Simple, sleek, and a real lifesaver in tight bathrooms. That empty space behind your door? It's actually a hidden storage goldmine. This slim cabinet mounts right onto the hinges, opening and closing smoothly with your door. Inside, adjustable shelves and rods let you store toiletries, spices, medicine, or even craft supplies without the clutter. It holds as much as 5 standard cabinets while keeping everything neatly concealed. A smart way to gain storage without sacrificing style or space. A rolling tower that keeps fruits, veggies, and pantry items within reach without cluttering your counters. This 4-tier metal storage rack comes fully assembled. Just roll it into place. The baskets rotate for easy access, detach for quick cleaning, and the carbon steel frame is strong enough to hold heavy groceries. With its sleek black finish and space-saving design, it's as stylish as it is practical, whether in the kitchen, living room, or pantry. Doing the dishes just got way less of a chore. This compact countertop dishwasher packs in enough space for a full family meal's worth of plates, cups, and cutlery. Yet it fits in even the tiniest kitchens. No plumbing required, thanks to its built-in water tank. 5 wash programs handle everything from delicate glassware to baby bottles. And with built-in drying and ventilation, your dishes come out sparkling, dry, and ready to use. your desk could be hiding something big. By day, it's a sleek study table with drawers for all your essentials. But when it's time to rest, the frame slides out and transforms into a full bed in seconds. The top even shifts to the side, creating an L-shaped workstation when you need more room. Perfect for small spaces where every piece of furniture has to do double duty.